You have likely seen the ads promising to form your LLC for $0. The reality is that a business is a structure, and your true out-of-pocket cost depends entirely on the long-term infrastructure you build around it. Right now, two of the most popular platforms offering these $0 entry points are Bizee, formerly known as Inkfile, and Tailor Brands. This side-by-side comparison highlights the differences in their DNA. On the left, Bizee has been operating since 2004. They have processed over 1 million business formations by focusing heavily on legal compliance and high-volume paperwork. On the right, Tailor Brands operates from a completely different starting point. Founded in 2014 as an AI-powered design studio, they eventually added LLC formation into a broader, subscription-based branding ecosystem. The choice comes down to whether you want to minimize your upfront costs or invest in a suite of integrated tools to build your visual identity alongside your legal filing. Deciding between Bizee and Tailor Brands means figuring out if your primary bottleneck right now is administrative efficiency or visual identity. Every state charges a mandatory filing fee to register a business. You have to pay this fee regardless of the platform you use, so we need to look past the $0 marketing claims and isolate the platform costs. This cost comparison matrix breaks down the true first-year expenses. Bizee's Silver package forms your business for $0 plus state fees, and they include your first year of registered agent services for free. Tailor Brands' Light tier also costs $0 plus state fees for the actual formation, but they do not include any free registered agent services. You pay out of pocket immediately. You are required to have a registered agent every year you stay in business. After your free first year with Bizee, that service renews at $119 annually. Tailor Brands locks users into a much higher annual fee, charging $199 for their registered agent service every single year. The price gap widens when you look at operational add-ons. Getting an employer identification number, or EIN, costs $70 through Bizee, while Tailor Brands charges $99 for the exact same federal tax ID. To access Tailor Brands' actual design and website tools, you have to bypass their free tier entirely and purchase their premium subscriptions, the Essential Plan at $199 a year, or the Elite Plan at $249 a year. Bizee wins decisively on pure mathematical budget and low recurring costs. Tailor Brands, by contrast, steers entrepreneurs directly into a premium subscription model from day one. This timeline shows the difference in standard processing speeds. Bizee typically prepares and submits your paperwork to the state within 1 to 3 business days. Tailor Brands' standard processing is significantly slower. Their base package takes 7 to 10 business days to process your filing. To match the baseline speeds Bizee offers, Tailor Brands requires you to upgrade to their paid Essential or Elite tiers. Looking at this structural chart, you can see Bizee's deep legal infrastructure. They are equipped to form LLCs, C corporations, S corporations, and nonprofit organizations. Tailor Brands has a strict limitation here. Their platform is built entirely to form LLCs. They cannot accommodate corporations or nonprofits. If you are building a venture-backed C Corp, starting a mission-driven nonprofit, or simply need rapid turnaround without paying a premium, Bizee is the only viable option between the two. Where Tailor Brands pulls ahead is their AI design studio. Instead of giving you a library of static templates, the platform learns your style preferences and generates a highly customized logo. The AI automatically outputs a comprehensive brand book. This gives you immediate professional guidelines for your color palettes, your typography, and even seasonal logo variations. Their integrated website builder takes those exact brand guidelines and instantly applies them to a functional, customizable site. They also include a social media auto-scheduler. This tool provides branded templates specifically sized for multiple social platforms, ensuring your visual identity stays perfectly consistent. Bizee offers 0 native branding tools. If you use them, you are entirely responsible for building your own web design, creating your own logos, and managing your own digital presence. For businesses that require a polished day-one launch, this bundle automates the design process, allowing you to bypass the traditional workflow of hiring and managing individual freelancers. Let's weigh the trade-offs. Bizee's core advantages are a true free first-year registered agent, ultra-fast standard filing, and robust support for all major entity types. The drawbacks are a highly basic dashboard, expensive a la carte add-ons like EIN filing, and a total lack of marketing integrations. Tailor Brands provides an integrated AI branding suite where the formation, design, and website tools are all part of the same workflow. The setup is highly guided and automated for beginners. However, you have to accept a steep $199 annual registered agent fee, heavily paywalled features, and a strict no-refund policy. This bar chart comparing their Trustpilot scores reveals a lot. Both platforms hold excellent overall ratings, but Tailor Brands suffers from a notable percentage of one-star reviews, almost all centered on confusing recurring billing. Tailor Brands relies heavily on an auto-renewing subscription model. By design, that creates more post-sale friction than Bizee's straightforward transactional approach. We mapped these platforms on a decision quadrant. Bizee fits entrepreneurs prioritizing a low-cost, legally sound foundation. To minimize overhead or navigate complex corporate structures, choose Bizee. Tailor Brands handles visual identity and website generation during formation, providing an automated speed to market for digital presence. Choose Bizee if you need a specialized legal compliance engine.